Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
If your Apple TV 3rd generation won't turn on, start by checking the power cord to ensure it's securely plugged into both the Apple TV and a power outlet. Try a different power outlet to rule out outlet issues. If it still doesn't turn on, try resetting your Apple TV by unplugging it from power for at least 6 seconds, then plugging it back in. Using a new HDMI cable or checking for any visible signs of damage can also be beneficial. If problems persist, contact Apple support for further assistance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.